So they are all my friends. This is Kundo, a very beautiful picnic spot which is located in Udalguri district. So today I'm coming here to meet my childhood friends. So all these friends are my special friends. We studied together, we grown up together. I'm very much excited to meet them. Within a very few minutes I'm going to introduce them. Okay friends, now let me introduce one of my friends. His name is Omar Daimari. So what you're doing now?
Right now I'm with my friends. I'm very happy and glad to meet all my batchmates, 2004 batch. And then right now I'm working as a teacher. And in the later stage, I will get to see all that whatever we are going to enjoy.
Yeah, so how you are feeling today, meeting your friends?
Actually, I'm very happy after 16 years of after kids that we are able to meet today all together. And then let's see.
Okay, thank you. Let's enjoy. He is Dr. Nobojit Hazwari. So I'm very much proud to have a doctor friend. So how you are organizing this program today?
Yes, we are very excited today to gather here together. It was a very sudden planning. There was no such formal planning. Few of our active friends, they gave WhatsApp messages and we all decided that we can gather together, and after we are getting together after 16 years. Since 2004 we have not met each other, some of our friends, and today we are very much excited to be here together. And it's nice, everyone is still young and young at heart, so that's it.
And we studied in the same school, huh?
Yeah, we studied in the same school, DES. We were 2004 batch, and now we have passed out, and everyone is doing their own jobs and businesses, and everyone is settled in their life, so we are quite happy with that.
So you're feeling very much excited today, meeting your friends, no?
Yeah, obviously we are very much excited because we are meeting after 16 years. Some of our friends we have not met even for once, so, and we can see some of our friends are still unmarried. That's the surprise.
Yeah.
Most of us are married already.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, and let's enjoy.
Okay, let's enjoy.
Okay. So friends, we studied in the same school, and the name of our school was Diamond English School, which is located in Udalguri town. His name is Leonard Daimari. So he's a lawyer.
Yeah, today we are here gathering as a get-together program. We as our 2000 base, we had jointly come here together to unite each other after a long gap of time, and we are very happy that all of my friends, those who have been invited, some of them has been busy, but still then we will do that in future. But still then overall we are very glad, and then we are having a party right now and we'll enjoy, and let's share.
Okay, thank you. Let's enjoy. So Hazwari,
Yeah.
what were you preparing today? What items?
We have pork today, chicken, and there we have duck.
Okay.
This duck meat we have already cooked at home and brought it. And this pork and this broiler chicken we are going to roast it in the fire. We'll mix it together with onion, garlic, we'll garnish it and we'll have it together. So whatever we have in together, it always already tastes very tasty. So whatever, maybe it may be pork or maybe only chips.
Yeah.
Once shared with friends, it's very tasty. We have duck meat also. Duck meat we have already prepared. Thanks to Mr. Leonard, he has sponsored 3 ducks for batchmates. So this is prepared by Mr. Leonard, duck dry fry.
So you can see this is duck meat. It will be really delicious. So friends, now I would like to introduce one of my friend. His name is Sansma Mosohari. So what you're doing now?
Now at present I'm working as a LIC financial advisor here at Udalguri SO. So I'm very glad today to meet all of our friends after a long gap period since 2004. Today we are get together when we are meeting today and I'm glad so much.
Okay, thank you. Let's enjoy.
Thank you.
I have some more friends. So let me introduce him. He's Zoga sir, Bosamotari. So what you're doing now?
See, actually, I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in 11 and 12 standards.
So how you're feeling today meeting your batchmate?
Actually, I'm feeling very good. I'm satisfied. After so many years back, we could get together and we could be happy. So I'm really very happy and excited to be relaxed. Thanks.
Thank you. Let's enjoy. I love you. Now we are going to enjoy a party here. So we are organizing a small party over here along with our batchmate. So friends, you can see here they are all my batchmate. So let me introduce them.
Hi.
He is Tarzan Daimari.
Rock you.
Rintu Daimari. So we started together in the same class, in same school. So we have grown up together from nursery to class 10. So today we are very much excited to gather here. So you can see here, he is Tetsung Daimari. And also you can see here, he is Gilchrist Daimari. So now he is doing a government job, he is teacher. And also you can see here he is Novozit Daimari. Friends, now I would like to introduce one of my friend. His name is James Kakari. So how you are feeling today to meet your school?
Yeah, after 16 years, it's great time. We will begin.
Okay, thank you. Let's enjoy. So here, he is Eli Daimari. So are you excited to meet your batchmate?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. He is now actor. So his name is Rimal Bosamotari. So how you're feeling now?
I'm fine now.
How you're feeling today meeting your batchmate?
I'm feeling so happy because we have met after 16 years. So some of all become old, some are become young.
Beri mendang.
Yami is a smoked pork. It's a very traditional of the tribal people. So we have been enjoying, and then it's very tasty. You can also try it sometimes.
Thank you. We're really excited today to meet each other after a very long year gap. So it has been a 16 years gap. So now we are coming here to get together. So they're all my friends.